Could you please tell me more about what's the specific problems you face?
Yeah, so basically what I'm trying to do is I want to figure out how many times a customer of ours needs to see one of our ads. I want to see which ads before they buy. I want to see which ads they see first and how many times it takes, though, like if a person sees ad A, I want to see how many times it takes them before they convert versus ad B versus ad C. I want to see which ads are good at getting people into the funnel and which ads are getting good at getting people to convert. All I can see right now is the last click, and I need to see more than that. And so I'm hoping that this is a tool that I can use to basically see the whole customer journey.
I see. So it's kind of to see the customer journey. So let me just share the project. See how it works to show you the entire customer journey.
Okay.
Or say this is a system, and this is an attribution path. You can see there are several paths. All means that it's kind of attribution for all your marketing channels. And the ads specifically attribution report for ads. So let's just take the all attribution for example. Here you can see all the conversions. This is the purchase. This is the conversion goal. There are several default conversion goals, and you can also set up your own conversion goal. Let's just take purchase as example. So you choose the purchase as a conversion goal, and the conversions happens, and the attribution model you may choose from a single touch, or you can also choose a multi-touch attribution. Mostly people use like linear and position, those kind of multi-touch attribution, because it can attribute the conversion back to multi-touch points.
Yeah.
So it's not the last click anymore. And you can also use a funnel stage. A funnel stage is kind of like what you mentioned, how your campaigns are performing in different stages of the customer funnel. Maybe in a awareness funnel, or engagement funnel, or conversion funnel, or even loyalty funnel. So you can see how your campaigns from ads or from affiliate, from emails are working, those different funnels. So let's just say a simple dashboard here. So here you can see the name of your campaigns. If you don't have a UTM campaign configured, it displays you the source and the medium information. And the second one is the channel information. So by default, we have like 18 predefined channels, like Facebook ads, or Google ads, Google organic search, or email, affiliates, or some others. So those are the default channels grouped by our channel policy, such as the UTM parameters or others. And this one is Attribuly track the conversions, meaning Attribuly is a third-party pixel. So it tracks the entire customer journey from different touch points. And then based on those customer journey we have get, then we have run our attribution algorithm to see how these kind of different marketing campaigns received the credit. So for example, this one, let's say maybe this one, maybe for example, just for example, like Snapchat ads, there is one conversion, meaning that out of your 22 orders, one order is contributed by this Snapchat ad. And when you click this number, you see the how this, which customer or which order are actually credited. So for example, this one is Winston. and the order number is 1100, and the conversion value is like 12. And when you click the conversion value, you will get the entire customer journey of this order. So you can even see that for Snapchat, what is the campaign name, or what is the ad group name, and what is the landing page. If you see the like Google ads, you can even see the search terms. What is the search term? Are they search for your brand name or some other product name to to land to your website? And you can see other interactions like what they have done, the page view, product view, checkout stats, what is the specific product they start to check out, and the payment information, and maybe if you are a Shopify Plus, you can even see like contact info and shipping info has your customer finish those kind of steps before the checkout finish. So you can also say which step the customer dropped in the checkout process. So checkout complete. So it's so this one is just an example, and if your customer have they may have quite a lot of touch points. I mean, let's say different ads before conversion. So you can see that the mixed conversion paths between Facebook ads or Google ads or maybe Google organic search, those kind of touch points. You see a full picture of every order.
So can I see it in a way that's more generalized? Like right now I can go into each individual order in Shopify and see that information, but is there a way for me to see it? What I'm trying to do is figure out if the money I'm spending on an ad that isn't driving conversions, but is getting a lot of impressions, if that is in fact getting people into the funnel for retargeting. So like, is there a way for me to view this data in a little bit like wider view, where I can say, okay, this ad is doing really well at driving top of funnel traffic. This ad's driving conversions. Is that possible through this app?
What I understand is that you want to see how your ads are performing in the different stages of your conversion funnel. So what you can do is like this.
Yes.
You may open this one for the funnel stage. Sorry, they may open up. So it's something like this. So so there are 4 stages. Number 1 is awareness, meaning that the customer they just saw your brand, but they don't click to your online store, or there is no any purchase happening. So you may have some campaigns you can put into the awareness stage. And someone is into the consideration stage, meaning that you want your customer to click to your website, click to your online store for the first time. And the conversions is what you mean the retargeting. They may visit your online store, but no purchase, no conversion happened yet. So you want to run some kind of retargeting ads. So you can put all your campaigns into those 4 stages. By default, it's in the conversion stage. Something like this. So there are quite a lot of columns for you to see the the metrics for each stage. For example, In awareness stage, you may want to see the awareness, impressions. So we will sum up those kind of impressions from different paid ads. So you know how many impressions have generated in this stage. And if you look into the conversion stage, you may want to see the conversions, how many conversions have generated in this stage.
So do I need to physically put my campaigns in each of those 4 categories, or is it telling me, does the app put my campaign in the 4 categories?
You need make it yourself, because actually we don't know how you design the campaign. Someone is for different campaign for different stage. You have to make it that because make it small, just like this one, modification stage.
Got it. Okay.
And there is another way you can find out your ads performances in the ads attribution stage part. So this one is only Attribuly only attributes the conversion back to paid channel, and it ignores all the like organic or other free unpaid channels. So here you can see that there are lots of columns you can find out here. For example, the lead tracked, how many leads. So when you run a pop-up, or you have a lead marketing, so you want to see how each campaign are driving signups for your online store, so we can track that. You can also see there are lots of other like impressions, clicks. So for example, if you want to see some campaigns are driving clicks but low conversions. So maybe you can just sort your conversions from different from 0 to maximum. So you know that, but of course you can see in more details like campaigns level, ad set level. So if for example in campaigns level, so you see here that some campaigns there's 0 conversion tracked by Attribuly, and you can also see their you can also see their, for example, their clicks. So maybe their impressions data here, for example, the impressions or clicks. Is that what you want?
No, but can we go to conversion paths? I want to see what conversion paths is.
Check some data. So
okay, maybe this is what I'm looking for.
I see.
So so you can basically, these are all the different paths so how does this data get generated?
You see that there are conversions. So for example, this one that you may find out that customer, their customer journey have something in common, that they may have run a similar path before conversion. So we find out a pattern for different conversions and then group them into the same one. For example, this one that there are 2 orders that have a display ads first, and then have another is like a YouTube ads. So there are 2 touch points for the conversions. So we need these 2 customers.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm looking for. So it's, and can this get down to the ad level on Meta?
Yeah, it's a campaign level currently.
Oh, it's campaign level. Got it.
It's campaign level.
Okay.
So
if you click in,
yeah, please.
So if you click one of these little like green sections, can you click into that at all? No, it just gives you the order. Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah, and you can get to the touch points, the sequence of the customer journey of yeah, you see that different ads and the ad group, those kind of information.
Okay. Cool. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you showing it to me. It's not, I don't think it's what I'm looking for, but I do really appreciate you showing it to me. It's an interesting tool.
Thank you. So what kind of insight or reports you are looking for?
Maybe something similar to this, but at the ad level. So basically I want to know, like, I want to figure out what the most common conversion path is, but at a really, really granular level. So I want to see, like, is there a particular ad that is the first touch point for a lot of conversions? And then what are the steps that they take from that first touch point all the way to conversion? Do they need, do they see this ad and need to see 4 more ads before they actually end up converting? Do they see this ad and convert straight away? That's really what I'm looking to see. So I think it'd be something like this, but just more detail.
I see. So what if we can make it into an AD level? It's not a problem.
You could?
Yeah, of course. It's just a small development.
Okay. Can we try? I mean, could we do that?
Yeah, of course. I'd love to.
Okay.
So it's like this. Well, if you we will give you a roadmap. So if you agree with that roadmap and you confirm that you will start a subscription, we will build that within the roadmap. Just confirm with you that we will update like AD section here. So you can just select the AD and you see from the campaign level to the more detailed AD level.
Yes. Yeah. That sounds good.
Yeah. I will drop you an email of the roadmap afterwards.
Okay. And then how long would that take to build out?
Well, it will. It's not a confirmation, but I expect it to be finished in like 1 week.
Okay.
Or 2 weeks. Yeah. Can be quite fast.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I'd love to see it. So send me an email with the roadmap, and so it's weekend here. So I'll probably get back to you like on Monday if that works, which will be your Tuesday. And then we can, I'll just confirm that we understood each other, and then we'll just get started.
Yeah, I will send you an email by weekend.
Okay, awesome.
Because we work today.
You work on Saturdays, yeah. Okay.
It's just an accident, yeah. But we work today, so I can send you by today. So enjoy your weekend. Maybe you will send the email on Monday.
Perfect. Thanks, Alex. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, Sarah. Thanks for calling.
Okay.
Good.
Bye.
Nice weekend. See you.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
Bye.